morning, students. Today I'll discuss next concept is angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now? Okay, students. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now, here triangle in triangle. How to prove the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. How to prove? Today I will discuss that theorem proof. Okay, na? Okay, na? Today I will discuss theorem. What is the theorem? The sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Okay, na? The sum of angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, na? Theorem. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. This is the theorem. How to prove? See, first of all, you can draw one triangle. This is one triangle. Triangle. Okay, na? This triangle. ABC triangle. Name as A, B, C. Okay, na? Now BC produce up to D. BC produce through C. So this is D. That is D. Okay, na? AB is a triangle. BC produce through C up to D. This point is D. Okay, na? Okay. Now draw one line. That line, this is E. This line is E. This line is parallel to AB. This line is parallel to AB. CE is parallel to PRAB. Okay, this line is parallel to AB is parallel to EC. Okay, now you can take here this angle is this angle 1, this angle 2, this angle 3. Okay, okay, students. Okay, see, in this triangle, ABC triangle, AB parallels to CE. Okay, so AB parallels to CE means that is AC is the transversal or not? As transversal. Okay, transversal. And this two parallel, this is the transversal means this angle is equal to this angle or not? As this angle. Why? Because this is corresponding angles. One is exterior, one is interior. One is exterior, one is interior. These two lines. This is the transversal can take. Okay, this is like this. Okay, this is these two lines are parallel. This is the transversal. So one is exterior, one is interior. Same side of the transversal. These two are corresponding. This two is this angle is 2. This angle also 2. Okay. Next, AB is parallel to EC. So these two lines are parallel. This is the transversal. The AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. This angle is equal to this angle is equal to 1. This angle, this alternate interior angles are equal or not? So this angle is equal to 1. This angle also 1. This angle also 1. This angle also 1. So this is BCD is a straight line. This straight line angle is equal to 180 or not? So this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. That is the theorem. I will say. First of all, given that. What is the given data? Given. This is the statement. Statement. What is the statement? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. That is the statement. What is given? Given. In triangle, ABC is a triangle. What is the given? What is given? ABC is a triangle. Or in triangle ABC. Or in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Okay, na? In triangle ABC. Next, RTP. Okay, first of all, this construction. What is the construction? What is the construction? BC produced up to D through C. BC produced up to D through C. Okay, and what is C is draw a line. CE. But CE is parallel to AB. C is parallel to AB. Okay, na? C is parallel to AB. Okay. Here that is BC is produced up to D through C. And draw a line, that is CE is parallel to draw a line, this line CE. This line is parallel to AB. That line is parallel to AB or BA. Okay, na? Okay. Okay. Okay, na? Next one, RTP. What is that required to prove? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. RTP is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This is step. Next, first one is statement. What is the statement? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. Next, given. What is given? In triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is the triangle. Okay. Next, construction. What is the construction? ABC triangle. BC produced up to D through C. And draw a line. C is the line. This line is parallel to BA or AB. Okay, the line is parallel to BA. C is parallel to AB. Okay, na? Right. Next, RTP. What is the RTP? Sum of this angle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That is the RTP. Now, next, proof. Okay, na? Next, proof. Okay, na? Proof. Okay, here proof. What is the proof here? AB is parallel to EC. AB parallel to EC. AB parallel to EC. Okay, so these two lines are parallel lines. AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. This is the transversal. Okay, now AC is the transversal means this is angle. See, angle ABC is equal to angle ECD. These two are corresponding angles or not? Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to. Okay, one student, sorry students, here AC is the transversal and also this one also transversal. Okay, na? BD also transversal. Okay, AC is the transversal, these two lines. Okay, na? And BD also, AC comma BD. AC comma BD are transversal. Okay, now angle ABC is equal to angle ECD. Angle ABC is equal to angle ECD. Same side of the transversal, BD transversal. There is one is exterior, one is interior. These two angles are equal or not? Equal. So that value is equation 1. Okay, equation 1. Next, here next, this is the transversal. This is the transversal in these two lines. here angle, see, angle BAC. Okay, this is the cross section. AB is parallel to AC. So alternate interangles, sir. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle ACE. Angle BAC is equal to angle ACE. Okay, na? This is equation 2. Here you can write this is corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. So here alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. Alternate interior angles. This is corresponding angles. This is alternate interior angles. Okay, na? Okay. Next one. Angle ACB is equal to angle BCA. Same angle. Okay, na? Same angle. Same angle. Okay. Okay, here angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to what is the value? Angle ECD. This is corresponding angle. Same side of the transversal. One is exterior, one is interior. Next one. The first equation. Corresponding angles. Next one is angle BAC. Angle BAC. This angle is equal to angle ACE. This angle. Alternate interior angle. Both are interior angles. Next one is angle BCA and angle ACB. Angle ACB and angle BCA. Both same angle. That is equation 3. This is equation 3. Okay, na? From equation. Okay, na? From equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Add these three equations. Angle ABC. Angle ABC plus. Left side values. This second equation is angle BAC plus. Angle ACB is equal to right side values. Angle ECD plus angle ACE. Angle ACE plus angle BCA. Angle BCA. So here angle ABC value is angle ABC value is equal to value 2 and equation 2 this value is 2. Okay, next angle BAC. BAC is 1. Next angle ACB. ACB is equal to 3. And so these three angles is equal to what the value? This is the straight line came or not? 1, 2, 3. 3 angles. Okay, na? Okay. Okay. See students here this part, but here angle ECD plus angle ACE plus angle BCA. Here ECD plus ACE plus BCA is these three angles. This is the sum of angles at a point. 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 What is point says on a straight line. On a straight line. Straight line. So the sum of angles at a point on a straight line is what the value? 180 degrees. This angle is equal to 180 degrees. So this triangle. Okay na? Angle ECD plus angle ACE plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degrees. So this angle is, these three angles is, sum of angles at a point on a straight line is 180 degrees. This angle is equal to, this value is 180 degrees. So therefore angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore angle ABC is equal to angle B plus angle BAC is equal to angle A plus angle ACB is equal to angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these three angles net angle is 180 degrees. This is the okay. Okay, next theorem. Okay, next theorem is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior angles. Okay, see here, what is the statement theorem? Theorem statement is, if a side of a triangle is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Opposite angles. Okay na? So that means draw one triangle. This is a triangle PQR. This is a triangle. Okay. If a side of a triangle is produced, right? Here can take one side. This side is produced. Okay, this side is produced. PQR S. This is the S. Okay, produced. Then the exterior angle. So the formed. Okay, exterior angle. This angle is formed. Is equal to, this angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. This is exterior angle, this two exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. This two angles sum is equal to this angle. How to prove? Okay, how to prove? Okay, see students, this is the exterior angle equal to opposite interior angles are equal. Okay, these two sum of these two angles is equal to exterior angle equal. So here, students, first of all, this is the exterior angle, means is the PRQ angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degrees or not. So this is the straight line. Straight line angle is equal to this angle plus this angle or not. This is the first equation. Okay, now the first equation is the straight line. Okay, next angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. This is sum of three angles in a triangle. Angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle PRQ. Sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now here angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180. 180 can write this value. Okay, now angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle PRQ. Okay now, here angle PRQ cancel both sides. Okay, what is the remaining? Angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QRP. Angle PRS is equal to angle PQR. Angle PQR plus angle QPR. This is P. Wait, friends, here. Angle PQR plus angle QRP plus angle PRQ. Here, sorry students, here. Angle QPR. Angle QPR. Angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. See here, angle PQR, this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. So this side is here, whatever this side PRQ. Here PRQ is there, PRQ. This angle both are cancelled. Remind what we said, this angle plus this angle. So this Q plus P, angle Q plus angle P plus angle Q is equal to this extra angle equal or not? So that is angle PRS. Angle PRS is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Angle Q plus angle P. So this is clear. So the sum of exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles are equal. Okay, students. Okay. Thank you, students.